These are supposed to help you stop hiccups fast. So let's check it out. I remember one time I had the hiccups when I was in high school. When I was in the drive-thru, I was working the drive-thru and I had the hiccups. It was the worst. This would have come in handy. I can see actually how this would come super in handy if you're in a professional setting and you have the hiccups. Yes. If you're about to give a meeting and you have the hiccups, yes. If you're working in the drive-thru and you have the hiccups, yes. If you want a fun gift to give someone, yes. I am definitely hoping that someone in my family gets the hiccups because we're gonna be trying this out.